How to choose the right aloe vera in this video. We will discuss different aloe vera types and how to choose according to their uses. Are different aloe vera for different uses and needs. So which is good and which is for which purpose? Let discuss in this video.
How to choose the right aloe for your purpose. For medicinal gel and household first aid, choose Aloe Vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller. It stores well and is the standard for topical uses. For a garden specimen with showy winter flowers and height, choose Aloe arborescens or Aloe ferox. For container displays or indoor succulents, choose Aloe brevifolia, Aloe javena, or Aloe aristata. For coastal or hot sunny gardens, Aloe maculata is a solid choice. If you want decorative foliage with patterning, consider variegated cultivars or hybrid aloes. Planting and potting.